Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Muthenya wa ira thutha wa Uhuru gucemania na Ruto, there's a big secret iria irutitwo, and that big secret, ladies and gentlemen, ni ndoka kumwira because kuringana maoni makwa tutibatie gweterera Uhuru ogoka kuga Gachagua tosha and so on and so forth. Acha reke twende guthikiriria Gachagua na Gachagua endelee gutuelekeza, because there might be a very big secret between Uhuru na Ruto. Ningumurehera story yo. Itanamurehera story yo, kwina undu ukoretwo ugitrend na kwina rwimbo ruru rurutitwo ni Mbosso. Mbosso ni muini wa Tanzania. Rwimbo ruru rwetwo Power. Rwimbo within 1 month rwina 17 million viewers. I think ingoma ime break record. Niki gitumite rwimbo ruru trend yo. Thiini wa comment section alo agai andu mathiete makambia kuga one time Ruto must go. They are relating rwimbo ruru na one time because Mbosso arauga atiriri ni athiretwo ni hinya, Power ni ithirite, andu makambia kurelate na maundu maria meguku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Andu magathini wa rwimbo ruru makauga one time Kasongo must go. Lakini muthome some the comments mwene ti maundu makwa na no muingia thini wa rwimbo ruru mwene a Kenya uria makomentete na matumite rwimbo ruru trend. Ta uyu mwe augite atiriri ati Mbosso huku Kasongo ametumaliza Power. Kama wewe ni Mkenya na unasema one time finya like na baadhi adu mara like ko like hothe hai one time hendo augite team one time ndio mumejaa huku. Na unaona likes yeshi na shio okay, kwa team Mbosso nono tuko wengi kutoka one time hello much love ate sema one time Ruto must go gonga like owo ni goikarite kuria rwimbo-ini ruru rwa Mbosso no thi wone by the way Kenya I don't know uyu undu wa one time Ruto must go it's everywhere. Undu ucio ni maregister thini wa their mind na Ruto kuruta undu ucio thini wa Kenya itakuwa ngumu. Nikio ndimwiraga Ruto gushinda mwaka wa 2027 it's nearest to zero. Now uhoro kana muthenya wa ira hena undu turonira, ladies and gentlemen, Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ekuria State House thutha wa kweria uhoro wa kuiga keep peacemaking thini wa DRC Congo. Nituonire magithiuka State House mena Ruto makiaraniria, kutonaga magitheka, kutonaga yani ni andu mahuana ta matai na uru. Nina kaundu wa Home Thuku wa Kiri andikite na kaundu kau niko ndienda tugerere through, ladies and gentlemen, tondu ni kaundu ndiona Home Thuku no hakorwo hena undu aramenya kana Home Thuku hena kaundu ara communicate. Reke tuthome tuigwe uria Home Thuku augite. Home Thuku augite two things. One, don't tell me that since September 2022 Uhuru Kenyatta, who lives across the fence, has never been to State House. Remember, Ruto visited Ichaweri. Remember, there has been a recent claim by Raila that he talked to Uhuru before the bloodbath handshake. Nimaiwa. Na kuigwa Raila augite thini wa interview by the way, ati maraniria na Uhuru before agita kugeithia mundu ti Ruto. Namba igiri. In these photos, the two men were not discussing war in Congo. Leo ni after kiria kuma kuria thini magithiuka State House. They were certainly discussing mulema politics in 2027 matrix. Igwe kejokere statement yo two thing. Number two, in these photos the two men were not discussing war in Congo. They were certainly discussing mulema politics in 2027 matrix. It was in this brief tour today that Uhuru has promised Ruto to bring the whole Mount Kenya vote back to his fold. It is in this tour that Uhuru has promised Ruto a vigorous two-term campaign. Bro, here is happen. This one can never happen. Na Uhuru ageria guka thini wa Mount Kenya abie kwira andu uhoro wa two-term egutigwe nyiki uria a Kenya mamutigire mwaka wa 2027. He told us mundu ti must go ti mwega, and after kwe must go giti uria twiraga a Kenya monete agicoka guka gutwira atia ati must go. Okay, ritare keri. Okay, is it possible guys? Na gikoni possible? Okay, ngirimeti iriko basi magikiranire ya gisiasa keoigwe uria mundu ugitwa Wahome Thuku arekereria kauga it's today too that Uhuru has taken a retreat and promised not to support Dr. Fred Matiang'i and instead to throw his weight behind Kasongo. So therefore, henceforth, let's not hear that Matiang'i is Uhuru project unless you want to continue confusing yourself. No igwa uria augite ati thini wa mucemanio ucio no Wahome Thuku Alacrime rekana is a lawyer augite ati ni thini wa kiria ati in today's tour that Uhuru has taken a retreat and promised to not support Fred Matiang'i ati umuthi thini wa retreat yo niguo Uhuru augire ndegu support mundu ti Matiang'i and instead to throw his weight behind Kasongo na ati ekuongera urito wake thini wa Kasongo na ati tutige kuga mundu Matiang'i ni project ya Uhuru todo Uhuru nionanetie riu mwena uria ari. Guys, the big question is nirona Uhuru tagi support Ruto mwaka wa 2027 nikiuria. Remember muthenya wa ira Uhuru ni State House, Raila ni State House, no gutire bishe tuonete ya Uhuru na Raila thini wa State House makiaraniria. Niki Uhuru tutanona magicamania na Raila? That's a big question. Raila nyathire kinyume no ria mangiriete aithia kigeithia must go na gĩtiguo mendaga. Of course kwiko Raila ndagithiria must go thini wa 2026 probability yake ya gutika mutongoria bũrũri ĩngĩrĩ igũrũ mũno. Angĩkorwo Raila ambĩrĩrie gũbinga must go auma kiria agwa gĩthurano kĩa AU okay thini wa opposition ambie gũvuruga avuruge. I tell you the fact is mwaka wa 2026 ni kuhuthiire kana mwaka wa 27 ni kuhuthiire Raila ni angikona giti giki aikoni thini wa opposition thaisi. So kwina hotekeku mundu ti Uhuru na Raila matigiko on the same page. Maybe they are not on the same page. Ni undu Raila nita betrayire mwena wa Uhuru and agikora Raila ule ndamwira ni amwire kuingira thini wa opposition o tene kuna uhotekeku munene maybe andu magira uga Raila tosha mwaka wa 2027 nenge athurwo na njira nene muno. But of course kuingira mwena wa must go niko mureheria thina munene muno. Ana muthenya wa Antonie Raila ni agina gikaro na mundu ti Raila Odinga ni agina gikaro na mundu ti Ruto na maya hamwe na Musalia Mudavadi, and of course maybe they were discussing ore Raila kuunganisha kule ciothe cia Nyanza na Western shoke gikabu-ini kia Ruto mwaka wa 27, but you don't know if it will happen or it will not happen. Rekana ni kunyitete muno na kwena maundu maingi muno ma happen tugiakinya mwaka wa 27 kwena maundu maingi muno megukoma mekikite. But ladies and gentlemen, what's your take on this? Mwani manyu maiko inyu murona atia, mura wikarite atia, mura maundu mahuana atia? Anyway guys, it is what it is. Woko ni kwa Iko Podcast, mwani manyu maiko na murona atia. Anyway, ndamune tikene na muno tuike agu subscribe thini wa channel na Iko Podcast. Wa subscribe dekira video yo theria ni ko yo abere kumina toroguo tu ndi monagena itwa kinene muno mutuike gwika undu ugwitwo kwinya notification bell igetha ugakorwo wa mbere kuona video ndamikira. Toroguo tu ni wega uka like uga comment na toroguo tu ni wega uga share igetha wa share andu angi no mone content ino no ikinyire andu aingi muno. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you muno ngai matuini amrathime na njugaga it is what it is. Wone wo ikarite na maundu maikarite uguo. Thank you. Thank you guys. God bless you so much. Thank you. Rathimoi.